Hello dear students, welcome back to new video. In this video, we are finding the solution of practice set 3.2 part 1 Maharashtra board. Now in this video, we are finding the solution of three sub questions. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Three sub questions of practice set 3.2. Now coming to the first question of 3.2, that is, write the correct number in the given box from the following AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Means this is AP. We have to fill in the blanks and finding the values of these terms. Now here the given sequence is 1, 8, 15, 22. Here the value of A. The value of A is the first term, that is A equals to 1. The value of A and T1 is same, that is 1. Therefore write here 1, the term 1 value. Now T2, the value of T2, that is the second term, that is 8. The value of T3, that is the third term, which is 15. Therefore write here 15. Now we had to find the difference between T2 minus T1. Here the value of T2 is this 8, put 8 here, minus the value of T1 is 1, put 1 here. 8 minus 1, that is 7. We have find the value, that is 7 here. Now the value of T3 minus T2, the value of T3 is here T3, here 15, minus the value of T2, that is 8. 15 minus 8, that is also 7. We have find the value which is equals to 7. Therefore D equals to 7. Now question number 2, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. Here T1, that is the first term, this is the first term, therefore write 3 here. T2, that is second term, therefore write 6 here in T2 box. T3, that is a term 3, that is 9, put 9 here. And T put the value of T4 is 12, put 12 here. Now T2 minus T1 means the value of difference between this T2 and T1. The value of T2 is 6 minus the value of T1 is 3. Therefore 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore T2 minus T1 is 3. Similarly, the value of T3 minus T2, the value of T3 is 9, minus the value of T2 is here 6. So 9 minus 6, that is also 3. Therefore difference T3 minus T2 is 3, put 3 here. Here the T2 minus T1 is nothing but the value of D, and which is constant. Therefore D is 3 here, put 3 here. Next question, AP is minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18. Here T3, that is the third term value, that is this is the first term, this is second term, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term value. The value of T3, that is the third term value, is 13, put minus 13 here. The value of T3 is minus 13, therefore put minus 13 here. Value of T2, that is this value is minus of 8 here, put minus 8 here. The value of T4, that is minus of 18, put minus 18 here. The value of T1, that is term 1, which is minus 3, put minus 3 here. Now the difference between T2 minus T1, the value of T2 is here minus 8, it means minus 8, minus the value of T1 is here minus of 3, that will be minus 8 minus minus plus 3, that is minus of 5, that is T2 minus T1 is minus of 5. Similarly find T3 minus T2, the value of T3 is minus 13, minus 13 here, minus the value of T2 is minus of 8, therefore minus 8 here. On calculating, that is minus 13 plus 8, which is also minus of 5, put minus 5 here. Here the value of A, which is nothing but similar to the value of term 1, that is minus of 3, put minus 3 here. And the value of D we calculated is nothing but the difference between terms, that is minus of 5. Next question, that is the AP is 70, 60, 50, 40. Here term 1, that is T1 equals to 70, put 70 here. Term 2, that is 60 here. Term 3, that is 50 here. And here Now the value of a and t1 is similar, therefore put the a which is exactly equal to the value of t1, that is term 1 is 70, put 70. Now d is nothing but the difference between terms, that is t2 minus t1 equals to the value of t2 is 60 minus the value of t1 is 70, 60 minus 70, that is minus of 10, put minus 10 here. Now next question, question number 2 is decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find 20th term of the following progression. The given sequence is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 20 and 30. In the solution part, the given sequence is, that is written as it is, minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. Now we have to find that is it AP means arithmetic progression or not. Here the value of first term, that is t1, or which is equals to a equals to t1 equals to minus 12, means the value of a is also minus of 12. Now here second term, that is a t2 equals to minus 5, t3 equals to third term which is 2, t4 equals to fourth term which is 9, t5 equals to fifth term which is 16, t6 equals to sixth term, that is 23, and t7 equals to 30, that is seventh term. Now here we have to find the common difference, that is d equals to t2 minus t1 equals to the value of t2 is minus of 5 minus the value of t1 is minus of 12 equals to minus 5 minus minus plus 12, that is minus 5 plus 12 is 7. Next d equals to t3 minus t2 equals to the value of t3 is 2 minus t2 is minus of 5, that will be equals to 2 minus minus of plus 5 equals to 7. D equals to now t4 minus t3 equals to the value of t4 is 9, put 9 minus the value of t3 is 2, that is 9 minus 2 is 7. Next d will be equals to t5 minus t4 equals to the value of t5 is 16, put 16 minus the value of t4 is 9, 16 minus 9, that is also 7. Now next d equals to t6 minus t5 equals to the value of t6 is 23 minus the value of t5 is 16, 23 minus 16 is 7. Next the value of d, that is t7 minus t6 equals to the value is 30 minus 23 is equals to 7. Here on observing we see that the value of this d is being constant, therefore d equals to 7 is constant, therefore the given sequence is AP. Now here we have to find the 20th term, that is t20 equals to how much. We know the formula, that is nth term, that is tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where tn is the nth term, n is the position of last term, and d is the common difference. Now by putting the values we can easily find the value of t20. Here we have to find the value of t20, therefore we have to put n equals to 20. Now on the formula is t20 equals to a plus the value of n is now 20, 20 minus 1 into d, it will be equals to t20 equals to a plus 20 minus 1, that is 19 into d. Now by putting here we can easily find the value of t20. Here the a means first term we have find here, which is minus 12, put minus 12 instead of this a, plus as it is 19 also as it is, the value of d which is common difference we have calculated here, which is 7, put 7 here, equals to now minus 12 plus 19 into 7, that is 133. On calculating minus 12 plus 133 we get 121, means we get the final value, that is 20. The 20th term is 121, and the given sequence is arithmetic progression with the common difference is 7. Here, the question number 3, that is given arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24. We have to find the 24th term of this progression. Now here, in the solution part, the given AP, that is arithmetic progression, is written as it is, that is 12, 16, 20 and 24. Here the first term or the value of A, that is A equals to 12, or we can set t1 equals to also 12, that is the first term. Now the value t2 equals to 16, t3 equals to 20, that is a third term, and the fourth term, that is t4, will be equals to 24. Now we have to find the 24th term. Now first calculate the value of d, that is d equals to t2 minus t1 equals to the value of t2 is 16 minus the value of t1 is 12. 16 minus 12, that is 4. Therefore we get d equals to 4. This is arithmetic progression, therefore the value of d is fixed. Now we have to find t24 equals to how much, means it is equals to question mark. Now we know the formula, that is t1 equals to a plus n minus 1 into d equals to the value of a we have here, that is a equals to 12. Put a equals to 12 plus the value of n, that is 24 minus 1 into d, the value of d is 4. Now here tn means t and the value of n is 24. This is the t24. Now we get t24 will be equals to 12 plus 24 minus 1, that is 23, plus equals to 12 plus 23 into 4, 92, that is 12 plus 92 is 104. We have find the value of t24 is 104. We get t24 equals to 104, and the common difference is 4. Then do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Math to get more videos of all boards.